Well, I was wrong. Those are roughly about the same. Hi, and welcome back. Tonight, I don't know how to explain it, but I shot tonight's video yesterday along with the one I put out Monday, if that makes sense. In essence, I got what I want done, or didn't really get it done, but I got what I felt like I needed for the video Monday, and I went ahead and kind of fit the door pillar. I don't know if you've seen that in the video, last video, but I fit that, and I kind of fit that spare door down there and talked about that a little bit. And I wasn't gonna show it because it didn't really pertain to what I did on the last video, but started thinking about it, and I did tell y'all that I take y'all through everything that I do to the Bronco, and that's something I did. And so basically this video is just a continuation of Monday's video, and two, it's already getting cold out here. So you can tell the cats are in here. They're gonna stay in here the week, because I think Saturday and Sunday is supposed to get to 19 degrees as a high and like 3 degrees as the low. But that's still a little ways away. But I don't really want to spend too much time out here because it's already getting cold. 30, 28, 30 degrees. Chester. But yeah, tonight's video is just going to be what I did a little bit Monday. So sorry if, I mean it's not old content that I'm reusing, but it's just some that I didn't think that I would use at all, but started thinking about it, and I'm going to show you everything I do to it, even if it's just mocking up door pillars and trying to fit the door between them and everything like that. That being said, enjoy the short video. I guess I'm going to put the door pillar back on, see what it looks like again, and might try to clamp it here and refit the door kind of on it. I don't got the hinges, but we'll just kind of put the door up here just to see what it looks like. That almost has to be like that in order for that door to fit through here. But still don't think it's right because that's too big of a space. This is compared to the driver's side. And this kick panel don't start until right here. That folds around this way. There's pretty good flange there. So this needs to be moved up, but that's not right. This probably needs to move over and up to make it fit where it needs to fit up. But I think it's too long through here. I guess I can measure the driver's side right quick and see what from here to here is, and kind of measure it down here and down at the bottom just to see. Well, I was wrong. Those are roughly about the same. Just don't know what to do now. This driver was bent so much nicer than this one. This has too much of a round. That one's bent more sharp out of here. So if it was bent more sharp here, that would bring it in a little bit. Anyways, at least we got it. Tried cinching it down and still having pressure over here, making it pop up over here. But give me y'all's thoughts on this. I think I should jack it up underneath the transmission tunnel and get it level, then put my pan in, and I guess a tech screw like the kick panel to it, and try to get this kind of tech screwed down here, and then I'll put my hinges on, try to hang my door. I'll put my old door on it for now since it has all the mechanisms to latch. Get my gap straight and then put my inner rocker up and see how that looks. And of course, I need to put my front fender on it, make sure it lines up all the way down. There's not no weird kick up or anything right through here. But let me know if I'm overthinking this. But I know as soon as I let those clamp or those vice grips off, this whole thing popped up and it was way off level. This end was up, and when I had the clamps on it, it was level. And we almost had 17 inches through here. But anyways, it's getting cold, so I think that's all I'm gonna do tonight. Don't feel like I did much of anything, but at least we learned a little bit more. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, it does mean a lot. I mean, sorry the content wasn't as entertaining, but I mean, it's something that has to be addressed, as well as other things with Bronco. Next videos, we're gonna concentrate more on this brace, trying to get it squared away. I need to get some flat stock and think about how to do a little bit more. It's also raining outside too, so it's gonna be even colder. But anyways, yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. We'll get back on the brace area next video and continue on with that. But if you like what you see, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, something with a Bronco. And I should have this channel up here next few days. I'll go ahead and show you what I did last night. Do everything on glass, but it's pretty rough. But hopefully doing that, like I said, every week will help me get better at it, because I really do want to learn to do that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next.